we go. Ooh, we had 12 inches already. Check it out here. See, we only can dig us a tunnel here. And not possible for the car. So, till it's done, I guess we'll dig us out. You having fun? Snow Angel. And dig us out. The car cannot get out though. What are we gonna do? Oh my goodness. Ooh. Here is the snow covered us. And this side is not catching. It's pretty wet, the snow. That's why the driveway has 12 inches. But looking at it, this rail is kind of a wet and sagging. Beautiful.